Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this TM AA12. These are obviously electric, no recoil system, but they are fun with 3 barrels. So you get lots of ammo down range. This particular one here has been upgraded with the upgraded Eagle6 M90 spring, specifically for AA12. We've got the Psionic R Hop kit, and this is obviously first time we've done sort of R hops on these AA12 with 3 barrels. That's 3 R hop kits. We've got the Eagle6 flat nub for the top central one. We've done a new version of our Eagle6 flat arms, which we've done this time with a carbon fibre just to increase the overall strength, and we've slightly altered the design for a better fit. We've got the Prometheus inner barrel, which is the EG 300mm. We've got the Retroarms Bushings, specifically for the AA12. The Retroarms Piston we've installed. We've put the Eagle6 upgraded Tappet plate spring in there, and we've got the Warhead base 35k motor, and got Dean's connection, which I technically have not done, so it's going to be tested on Mini Tammy today. We've got electric drum mag, which has no mods to it. Right, okay, so we're just going to demonstrate it working now and make sure it's got some BBs in it, which it hasn't. We're all prepared. So the AA12's really come to life on obviously the full auto. So the upgrades that we do are mainly about improving range, because the range is quite short on these. So obviously we've put a stronger spring to get it up to about 270 on about on 3.2s, which is obviously quite up there, close to the limit. We've got the obviously the hops are designed to obviously send the ammo further, and also they're not biased, so they're designed to keep the groupings tighter. All of which obviously means that you can then do full auto at 65 meters with a couple of person size spread, which means that any large group of people at 65 meters are going to pretty much sort of I don't know if you can see it down range. Yeah, it's going to sort of receive something like this. Crazy how fast it empties these magazines. There we go. So all tested. We do the occasional misfeeds on these, but the problem is it's hard to say specifically that it's a you know, a thing with these, because obviously they all seem to do it, just because it's quite a complex loading system that's on these. But obviously we'll keep an eye on it into stuff in the future, and obviously if it becomes a problem, then feel free to let us know. But these guns mainly good for, obviously, like I said, they're used typically on the full auto. And like I say, it's a very dominating gun at 65 meters. So give it a go, give us that feedback, and see how you get on. But hopefully you have a fantastic time. So thank you.